Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to remove the background from a picture very easily. I will tell you the shortest possible way. Just type remove.bg in the search bar and upload your picture. Here I will upload the photo of Mr. Beast for a sample and just wait. You have to do nothing. Just wait and see. And remember the name of the website remove.bg. I will give the link in the description. So it has remove the background automatically. You can download it and download it in HD. Moreover, you can further edit it to give it a specific background. For example, just click on the edit and you can blur the background. You can give it specific or you can upload your own background to give it. So it's very simple. It's very easy. Further, you can erase a very specific thing from the picture. For example, a hand or tool, anything. So that was all. Now you can download it. Just click on the download and it will download automatically. If you want to download in HD, you just sign up and it will give you 1 credit, and that credit can be used to download in HD. So if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video.